There's something always special about nights like this. Sure, it's a bit scary in the dark, but it's also breathtaking when you see something like a full moon or just the tiny dots of the stars. What do you think, baby? Oh my god. Baby! You can't just fall asleep before the fireworks start. Wake up. Come on. Hey, sit your head. You tired? Time? It's 11:28. The fireworks show starts in 2 minutes. Yes, you have to watch them with me. You told me that you always try to sleep whenever the fireworks show is going, and I'm not gonna let you miss out on one. Not tonight. Here, if it makes you feel any better, we can cuddle and watch the fireworks together. But you have to promise me that you're not gonna fall asleep on me, okay? Yay! Okay, move over and let me snuggle up to you. That's nice. Oh, look! Perfect timing. Huh? What you say, baby? Oh, why are we in here instead of watching outside? Well, it's either because of the bugs outside or that I'm just lazy. Also, it's just really comfortable being able to snuggle up here in your arms like this. Are you enjoying it? Watching the fireworks with the love of your life who's really trying her best to keep you awake. Well, I'm glad you enjoy it. Life doesn't have moments like these every day. It's only today, New Year's, and maybe some other times in the next. Why do I like fireworks? It's actually a good question. Maybe because of the pretty colors. What? You thought I was gonna go on a whole essay? Well, not even a whole essay could describe how much I love you compared to anything else in the world, even fireworks. Whoa! Oh gosh, that was a loud one, even from here. They're so pretty. Well, since it's getting late, I suppose I don't mind if you fall asleep. Yeah? You wanna watch them with me? Well, looks like someone's changed their mind. Alright then. Here. You cozy? That's good. That was beautiful while it lasted. What do you think? You... And deep sleep. Sweet dreams, my love.